story there and we want to talk about. Invite your friend, Mona come online. Story they will want to talk about this afternoon. Invite your friend, Mona come online. Hello, good afternoon. Now well done. Happy Sunday. Now me una sister Rita Love TV. Now me dey talk oh. We get story we want to talk about this afternoon. Please, Mona listen for this story oh. I want more of una see Mona dey pray and Mona believe in God. I must see know the kind of friend we una dey me go with. And the kind of people when they allow to they enter on a house. And for use Benin to talk. For those who know they understand Benin, they don't feel here. That is why I want to speak this English the way una sing. Una take the way una sing. Some people, in case of some people when they understand Benin, they will see understand what thing I want to talk about. This story can concern Osaro with Ofure. Now for Roma here for happen. This Osaro with Ofure, this story so when I want to talk about so Muna get sense. Osaro get family, he get wife, he get children, and he don't tell for this Europe. Ofure na person wey new enter Europe, he see they camp. Ofure they go language school for near Osaro house. As our will be brother Osaro tell am say, Ofure, if you need something, maybe you want eat semo, may you try make the plate enter house. I will tell my woman make they make food for you. You know, say for camp, una not they eat a swallow. Now Ofure say no problem. Ofure come the plate enter Osaro house. If he come, his wife will prepare food for her. Osaro wife will prepare food for Ofure. Ofure go chop. He go. Another day, Ofure go see come. His wife will see prepare food for her and go eat. The third one, he come, he saying they look for some money, just get some stress. Osaro say, how much you need? Say any amount. Osaro find the money we get for his house, he give up Ofure. Ofure say thank you, he go. Another day, she come. Osaro wife prepare food for her, he see eat. The fifth one, when he come back again, he say he need 1,000, he 2,500. Osaro say, now only 1,003 I get for his house. And he don't know say na command, they command them o. Person when he say he want help o. You understand? I don't know when I go say yawu. You don't know say na command, they command them o. He say na only 1,003 dey with me for his house. Ofure say you will go find am o. Make sure say that money complete 2,500. Osaro say I no get that kind of money. Where you say me I feel get that kind of money? The way Europe dey so. Ofure comot. The next day morning, Ofure come back again, come into Osaro. He say if you say you no want give me this money, I'll collect wetin pay you pass for you. Osaro say wetin pay pass when you want collect. I say I no get that kind of money. I only have 1,003 for his house. Ofure comot go house. He reach house, he begin to call Osaro name with his children name. For inside camp o, na camp they stay o. You know they pay house rent, you know they pay light bill. In short, you know they feed themselves. Call eat better food. Now it turn to problem o. He reach inside camp, he begin to call Osaro name for something. He never got to 1 week. Osaro pikin, the second daughter, he begin to piss her blood. Osaro say, wetin be this one? Can't go remember. Wetin Ofure tell am? Say, I been na wetin dey happen so? Wetin dey happen when this pikin dey piss her blood? Osaro he comot. He just call ambulance. God so kind. Mo will not dey insult man of God o. In this life, some people they condemn man of God. There is only voye when man of God pray put his wife kukuma carry that only voye come out. Who pray for that only voye? Apostle Suleiman. He carry and come out. He use and not this pikin before our brands come. Peace stop. You know the peace blood they gave. What thing I use this one me say who will believe in God and who they pray harder. From there, they carry this pikin go hospital. Because he husband not to believe in God like that, but his wife believe in God. You know, say that child already he. They still take her to hospital. After the husband went to go, Sarah went to go and look for money for his brother. I beg, please, can you borrow me 1,000 euro? Can you borrow me this one? That's 2,005. He complete. He go meet Ofure for camp. He give Ofure the 2,000 euro. He tell his wife, say, discharge the baby, may you come have see. His wife said the baby already well. Since we will see anoint herself before the Abrahams come. You know the peace blood they go. The baby, they carry the baby come house. The baby already well. Then you see go camp again. He begin to call this Osaro name with his children name, with his wife name so for something. His friend when they got that day inside room say, come go meet Osaro. This boy, what did they happen when they call your name for something? Every night you go they call your name for something. Shall not be brother. Osaro say will not be brother. Now help I be try to help oh. Help you want her to another thing. He call him name for something finish now. The boy, as he knows that boy go tell Osaro. He kukuma just carry that boy penisi. Just take his penis. They call Kalabulere. Karakon. You know say Kara no they believe in spiritual thing. na Europe we dey, no say Kara no dey believe in spiritual thing. Kara say, wetin you say dey wrong with your penis, make dem call her Brands. That boy say na wish, na he take am. As we just dey talk so, the penis don already dey on top of sea. E remain 5 minutes, make fish swallow the penis. For life, that penis no go work again. Kara say, bring the penis come. The boy Ofure touch that in neighbor where they gather dey inside room for camp. The penis come back. Kara no believe this matter because they not dey believe in spiritual thing. Then this Sarah wife, all of them they pray for, they pray always. The wife they always they pray, believe in God. It never reach this year. It never reached 1 month so when this matter they happen so. Now no wetin come carry the Ofure go prison. Ofure come go Tifo. Where for Tifo? Camera dey there. Camera come catch am. They come go trace Ofure. They see the phone for in hand. Now Ofure take the prison so. You see, that very day when he take a neighbor, Penisi, Kara not believe he not go prison put. Because God knows say one day he cup must surely full. Now make him when he go thief that foe, we cut it go prison. Now see, this story when I bring come so, I use to advise our brother. Because una know that our brother now they do this thing so. Muna know the kind people when they enter on a house. Muna know the kind of friend Muna they me go with. And Muna know the kind of person Muna they advise make you enter on a house. And Muna still believe in God. And they use opportunity to see they tell some women when no know God. When man of God say something, they will begin to doubt man of God. They will want me to use and play for life. They go even they laugh. Because if not waiter, osalobo I not here as a pastor. If you have a gene neti daughter, if not waiter no. Osalobo I no wait here, no don't winning when I say. Why Gimara you know yari pastor? A man of God deserve a private jet, more than private jets. A man of God deserve it. Before Abraham come, that blood does stop because of olive oil where they use for that baby. It go more believe in God though. And more know the kind of friend where would they me go with. Now me, Rita Love TV, now I can't give this message. Muna take get some sense for his side. If I feel talking, Muna take him, Muna pick anyone, Muna take get sense. If I don't feel take him, put on the way it happen because I for use Benite tell Luna. The one I'll take here. One answer for those who not they understand Bini, I want me to see understand that small. This story move, they know the kind of friend where would they me go with. And kind of person where you say may you pity, may it can't enter your life. Move know. As this world not too balanced like that too. Everybody is a suspect. Muna know the kind of friend where they me go with. Now me Rita Love TV, I can't give this message. For my brother, my sister, if you want help person, make sure say you pray first. Most if you get wife, you get children. If your wife tell you something, try make you dey hear your wife. Muna try, Muna dey hear now. If una wife say anything to una, Muna dey hear, and Muna still believe in God, Muna dey prayerful. This world deep well. Mostly this Europe, many trial they come, but we sleep, we wake up. Now God. Muna not the moon will not the challenge man of God. Muna try. Inside I'm not too holy because time see come when I got the tissue now. Many things in this fall. Una will not say me myself not holy, but I still believe in God. Now me I dey talk Muna share this message. Muna subscribe for Rita Love TV. Muna help me share am. Now the message we can't give for today will be Sunday. Another day go day, I go say Muna can't talk for this matter. Today, una no fit talk put. I just can't give this message. Agwe se yawu. Ni ma egbe ma ni no keke ni ma awe se na. Egbe ma no keke ni ma ri asikegbe. Egbe ma no keke ni ma ri aguku agbonaje na. Cause even no you weje e you want weje. Ina do give a message na. Ngwa gume sure eh. Muna share the message. Muna subscribe for Ritalo TV. Muna share. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. I thank you all. Thank you all. Happy Sunday. Share the message. Share am. Oh. Muna believe in God oh. Apostle Suleiman na God call am. Na God call am oh. If you use the only voice I will talk about many things what I don't use am for. And it work for me. Muna share this message. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Another day we will talk about man and woman. And by month end, the first month end, I will start to do hook up. If you need wife, oh, you need husband, oh, because we have a lot of one in this phone. Where we say that they check up, where they need wife, a good wife, oh, where they need husband. I want to do hook up. The number I will soon bring and come out. In case if you need, want to do hook up, oh. If you dey look for better man, better woman, no one way too better, oh, no one way too holy. Now God do. Thank you. Please, muna subscribe for Ritalo TV. Muna subscribe. Thank you.